Hey, it's Logan with Socialverse. So today we're going to do a website review of Westlock County Cleaning. Now, this is an interesting website review just because we're actually going to be redoing this website and actually moving platforms completely for Westlock here soon. So you're going to see the before and the after. So currently this website is built on Wix. And as you guys can see, that is clear. So typically any website that you want to be professional on the internet for businesses to see, customers to interact with, I recommend it's worth investing into the hosting, investing into the platform to build the website to get rid of all the banner ads, because to me, it's just not professional, if that makes sense. Overall, what I'm seeing here, not terrible at all. What I personally would do is maybe add your logo here or make this more bold. So I'd make this more bold so it stands out. Same thing with this. I would probably turn this into a button. So when you hover over it, it will change colors or pop up or add a shadow. So that way we can see that you can interact with it, if that makes sense, and that it's clickable. This, I would probably in your menu here, make these more bold so they stand out. I'm okay with being a black background and white text. Looks good to me. I would probably make that a little bit more bold text, as well as I would add your phone number or another call to action saying like call us, book now, somewhere up here as well. This image has a parallax kind of feature on it. So when you scroll down, it kind of stays in place and the page moves. Next, we have Happy Valentine's Day. So this is some sort of social post, I'm guessing. Oh, so some of these are like memes. Cool idea to actually have. Oh, they're actually social media posts. So I couldn't tell that until I actually clicked on it. Ooh, it's a video. So cool feature. Awesome on setting that up. Looks good. What I would possibly change or suggest is making it smaller though. So making it so you could have 2 or 3 or 4 show up at once instead of just one big one that takes up all this page, and it's kind of awkward. So I'd have a couple different ones, and that's the page. So there's no footer really. I changed the footer to a different color. Once again, make this clickable. Maybe put a contact us, put your terms and services, put your service areas down in the footer. So you're kind of missing out. This is real estate. And you think about it, in real estate, you want to use your land or use your space to the most of it. So you want to add some different buttons and elements and call to actions and text into here to get people to convert. So the page here, there's nothing going on. So it doesn't have any text, doesn't tell me what you guys do, who you are, what services you want. So that is something in the new website we will 100% get taken care of, and make sure it kind of showcases, hey, this is what we do, this is what we offer, this is what areas we service. And obviously that is big for SEO value. So we do have service page, it looks like, for residential cleaning. Great idea. It helps with SEO. One thing I would just have, make sure you have your alt text on here. Make sure you have your keywords in H1, H2, H3 tags set on all of your text. I do like this though. One thing I might do is maybe put it in a little bit smaller gallery so I can look at more at one point of view. Overall, going to be the same structure. Good. You could bold this text once again. Post-construction cleaning, same thing. So I do like how this one is kind of side by side versus on top of them. So I do like that. Get an estimate. Let's see this. Get a quote. Looks like this takes you to a Google form. Not bad. So, first major error. This background, you can't read this text here. So I would have a black background here, or at least an overlay over it that is dark so we can actually read the text here. So that is the first kind of big issue I would see that I would personally fix. Going into about us. Nothing wrong with this. It looks good. Testimonials. One thing you can do is connect a widget so it will automatically pull the reviews in so you don't have to manually update that. Contact us. So I go to contact us and it pulls up frequently asked questions. So what I would probably do is maybe have the section up here, hey, call us, email us, fill out this form. And I wouldn't almost take them to a Google form. I'd do it directly on your website. And then underneath all that, you could have frequently asked questions. More, so it goes to property maintenance, FAQ again. So is this a separate area? It is. So you're on Contact Us, you have frequently asked questions and then an FAQ here. So I'd get rid of the FAQ section on your Contact Us page, and I would just keep this one. This image is a bit blurry. No, easy fix though. Just a FAQ page, looks good. Careers for hiring. Join the team form, looks good. Overall, to be honest, not a bad website. You could clean this website up and it would do. Like I said, main thing would be fixing those couple big issues, get rid of this and upgrading the hosting. But overall, it's not a terrible website. Yes, it does need work, but I mean, overall, it's not a bad website at all. So good job, Westlock County Cleaning, building this yourself. If you guys have any questions, suggestions, you see something I missed, you have suggestions on what you do or don't like, drop it in the comments. Until next time, see you. Thanks.